Now, speaking of things the world might want but probably doesn't, TikTok's parent company confirms plans for a smartphone. I'm not even fully on the TikTok thing. I looked at it once and I was like, it's overwhelming. It's hit me I felt like I was about 80 years old. For the record, I'm not. I know it's been joked
Questionable.
about. It's been joked about. I'm not 80. I'm actually 63. So let's just get that in check right now. It's a big dispute. Actually, most places have my birthday date wrong online.
Oh, really?
Like officially, like the Wikipedia page and everything, they got the wrong birth date, I think. But then every time somebody tries to make a Wikipedia page, it gets taken down for some reason. But anyway, this one looks like it's not getting taken down. Yeah, look. Where does it say birthday? Yeah. Oh, never mind. That's fixed. Take that back. They got it right. 1985. Okay, fine. For a long time, it was wrong. This Wikipedia got it right. Well done, whoever. Can we shout out whoever made this Wikipedia? Is that a thing, Will? Like, absolutely. So if you go down, does it tell you who contributed to this article? I guess not. I don't know. There's a bunch of references. Somebody put time in. I appreciate it. Whoever did. I don't know. I think that's what you're supposed to do. But like, it's just reference. I don't think it says. You would have to go into the edit. Yeah, you can. You can, Will. If you scroll up to the top and go to view history, then it'll show you the names of people over here. Find edits by user. Yeah, look. Mandarax, Cunard, your mom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, triple Z Zoom, Brad V, Bearcat. Awesome. I don't know. Thanks. Cool. Because I'm telling you, it's been a thing with Wikipedia where there was an article for a while and then not enough citation, not enough references. Yeah. It's a whole thing with Wikipedia. It's the whole thing. And I know some people were mad at me at one point with Wikipedia because I was like, oh, yeah, it's such a useful resource. And they're like, no college professor will ever. And it's like, geez, man, holy. First of all, just have yourself a Wikipedia rabbit hole. Understand what it is. It's user-generated content. Yeah, I get that. But it is more stringent than a blog. Sheesha. Mm-hmm. Holy moly. There's things that go, trust me, I can speak from experience. There have been Unbox Therapy pages that have been demolished because they didn't meet the criteria. I didn't make them, but people have pointed it out to me. So, anyhow, back to the topic at hand, TikTok, which made me feel like I was 87 years old, scrolling through. It's like musically combined with Instagram, scrolling, mindless death, futuristic death of sorts. Clockwork Orange, eyeballs open. Jack knows what I'm talking about. He always perks up when he hears a Kubrick film. See? He perked. He just perked. Now, you didn't see the perk, but he perked like kind of. That's the way it feels to me. It's very 2019, very intense social media. The youngsters are into it. Anyway, they're like, well, the youngsters are so into it, they need a phone branded a TikTok phone. And as we all know, this has been attempted. Do you remember the Facebook phone? Well, I mean, the Amazon tried a phone. It's never gone well. These have all been garbage. They have tried to reinvent the wheel, skin up the OS to a degree that's offensive. Now, granted, this is for a specific market. If they do it, this company ByteDance, who's the parent of TikTok, if they do it, it's going to be targeted at the Chinese market. Maybe they know how to nail that. Maybe there's something that market wants they feel they can deliver that's not there yet. Now, granted, things are going to come out of the box with the software, ByteDance stuff just slathered all over it. Is that a word? Can you slather? Mm-hmm. Okay, I mean, I don't personally, but
barbecue sauce.
If you do, that's fine with me. Yeah. Do what you got to do. So it's going to have the skin going on and the apps pre-installed, but maybe they can provide some sort of advantage. Maybe you're a major TikTok player and you need the advanced tools. And they could be like, yo, the advanced tools only come with the phone. And all of a sudden now, almost like video games, almost like skins in a video game. Buy the phone and you get gold, platinum, X-wing status on TikTok. And now your stuff is elevating. Imagine they gamify it like that, Will. Think they could make a few dollars? How many dollars do you think they could make? Wait. How many dollars do you think they could make?
Is it called a bootload?
I'm out of here. You had a chance, man. You had a chance to tear the roof off this place, as they say in Las Vegas. That was cool. No, I like what you did. It's fine with me. You make a joke. Anyway, yeah, it squarely is, of course, a boatload of cash. There's so many ways to monetize this weird stuff. It's like we're living in the future. It's beautiful, whatever. They have chat clients, a streaming music service. They're even having their very own talent contest. It's like American Idol, because so many people are singing and dancing on there on TikTok. So, you use TikTok, Will?
Not really.
Did you dabble?
I dabbled a little bit.
Well, we know it's well established you're a dabbler.
Yeah.
So you dabbled, and what did you discover?
It's very mindless. The thing is, you don't really, at least for me, I didn't go into like a rabbit hole. It's just you start in the homepage and you stay there. You just keep on scrolling. And then every single TikTok or whatever video is like completely different. It like boggles the mind. You can't really focus on one thing. You just keep going.
Very attention deficit.
Yeah. It's addicting. I can understand that, but it's so mindless.
So you're not going to be first in line for the TikTok phone, are you?
No.
Anyway, they're teaming up with an established smartphone company called Monetizing. They're a small, in terms of scale, smartphone company in China. But I guess that's kind of, a good thing. At least they know how to make smartphones. Maybe the smartphone itself will be half decent. And then the ByteDance TikTok component will just be a collab on top of that. I think that's probably a better move. I think that's probably what Facebook should have done or Amazon. Select a model, right? Get it made to that specification and then offer some advantage to it for your platform without trying to overhaul the whole thing completely or the whole experience completely. But again, the customer in China might be different. They might know exactly what they're doing, but we can add this one to the list of social media companies trying to make their very own hardware, their very own branded smartphone.